Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today on the sawmill we have a hickory log, and this is a really weird one. Look at this. Under the bark there's just all these bug trails. I don't know what kind of bug does this, but holy smokes, there's a lot of them. I don't think I've ever seen that many on a log. And I mean, you can see, I think you can see that. They're on there too, they're on the bark. These things got into this tree somehow. Well, anyway, there it is. It's about 8 foot long. It's about 12-inch diameter. And we're going to cut boards out of this today. So, probably be a quick one, but it should be good because hickory's really pretty. All right, well, let's do it. Well, let's take a quick look. There's a lot of very circular patterns on this board. Must have been a lot of branches on this tree. Pretty stuff though. And then back here, underneath, you can see the log that's there. That is some nice stuff though. Oh man. All right, let's keep cutting. Not seeing any bugs, just trails. That's not half bad. All right. So I cut that 8.5 inches high so I can cut 8-inch wide boards. Pretty hickory. All right, let's get some boards cut and I'll lay them out here and show them to you. Really? Wow. Do it the easy way. Okay, so I threw some water on it so you can see it really good. That is a lot of hickory boards. It's some pretty stuff. There's at least 2 boards in each stack here. They're 8 inches wide. A couple of them have some spalting at the end. You can see the light and dark color wood. So yeah, this is the stump log from that same tree. I'm just going to square it up into a cant, get the bark off it so that I can store it without worrying about it rotting. So that's all I'm doing here. All these little edge cuts, these are great for making charcuterie boards or laptop boards or whatever you want. Live edge, it's hickory. All right, so I've got my toe board up. I made my first cut. I'm going to roll the log on the toe board and make my second cut so I don't have to adjust it again. Like that. Yeah, that didn't work real well, huh? Guess I gotta put my toe board down to do it. Why? Perfect. Oh, that's a chunk of hickory there. That's good firewood. Use it for Tony's smoker. These are hefty chunks of hickory down here at the back end, but up at that end, there's almost nothing. These could be turning planks though. Last cut. Get the top off. Get rid of these bug holes. Presto, a 9-inch hickory beam, 8 by 9, 9-inch up. And I can see already this end down here, I need to cut it off like right here. That's all bad. This is good. You can see this end down here is pretty bad. That needs to be cut off. So right around here. That's about 1.5 feet. The rest of it's gorgeous. So this, I can cut this into whatever I want some other time. For right now, I set it on a pile and let it dry. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm back again. I don't know what we're cutting next, but it'll be good. There it is. I gotta cut that end off, chop it right there. The rest of it's sitting on top of the log from the other day. Yeah. Ah. Yuck. What? There you are. I forgot all about you. Why didn't somebody say something? No! All right, come on, you're coming with me.